Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Fluency Builder. Thank you for being here today. Take a deep breath, relax, and just listen carefully. Today's story is simple. Just a small moment. A real conversation. So welcome to Storytelling Episode 14. Today's story is called The Bus Stop Talk. Let's begin. It was early evening. A quiet bus stop. Daniel was standing there, looking at his phone. He checked the time again. The bus was late. He sighed and put his phone back in his pocket. Next to him, a woman was sitting on the bench. She looked calm, relaxed, just watching the road. After a few minutes, Daniel said, "Bus is late again." The woman smiled. "Yeah, it's always like this." Daniel nodded. "I feel like I spend half my life waiting." The woman laughed softly. "Or maybe we just don't notice time when we're busy." Daniel smiled. "Maybe." A short silence. Then the woman asked, "Long day?" Daniel took a breath. "Yeah, kind of." She nodded. "Work?" "Yeah, work." Pause. Then Daniel added, "I feel tired, but not because of work." The woman looked at him. "Then because of what?" Daniel thought for a second. "Everything feels the same, every day." The woman didn't answer immediately. She just listened. Daniel continued. "Wake up, go to work, come back, sleep. Repeat." The woman smiled slightly. "Sounds familiar." Daniel looked at her. "Really?" She nodded. "Yeah, I used to feel the same." Daniel became curious. "What changed?" She took a deep breath. "Nothing big." Pause. Then she said, "I just stopped waiting for something exciting to happen." Daniel frowned slightly. "What do you mean?" She said, "I started adding small changes." Daniel listened carefully. "Like what?" She smiled. "Different route to work, talking to new people, trying new food, learning something small every day." Daniel nodded slowly. "That sounds simple." She replied, "It is simple." Pause. "But we don't do it." Daniel looked down, thinking. Then he said, "I think I've been waiting for a big change." She nodded. "Most people do." Then she added, "But life usually changes in small ways." A few seconds of silence. The bus still hadn't arrived. Daniel smiled slightly. "This is actually a nice conversation." She laughed. "Yeah, not bad for a random bus stop." Daniel said, "I didn't expect this today." She replied, "Exactly." Pause. Then she said, "Sometimes unexpected moments are the best ones." Daniel nodded. "Yeah, I think I needed this." The woman smiled. "Me too." The bus finally arrived. Daniel stepped in, then turned back. "Thanks for the conversation." She nodded. "Take care." Daniel found a seat and looked out of the window. Same city, same road, same routine, but something felt different. Not because life changed, but because his thinking did. And maybe that's how change begins. Not with something big, but with a small conversation, a new thought, a different perspective. So next time, when life feels repetitive, try something small. Because even a simple moment, like a bus stop conversation, can change your day. Thank you for listening to Storytelling Episode 14 on English Fluency Builder. If you find this storytelling useful, do subscribe to our channel and click the bell button and continue learning English with us. I will see you in the next episode.